Hi, welcome to Sage Mind Yoga. My name is Natalie. Today I'm going to be leading you through a short yoga flow that is perfect to do in the afternoon or anytime you feel like you need a boost of energy. So I do have 2 blocks with me. These are totally optional, so if you don't have them, no worries. You could still follow along. This is my cat Svetlana. She may be joining us for our yoga flow today. We'll see if she sticks around, but we will go ahead and get started in tabletop pose. Coming to hands and knees, wrists under the shoulders, knees under the hips. Moving into cat-cow, so drop the belly, lift the gaze, cow. Inhale and exhale, cat pose, belly button towards the sky, arching the spine, and reverse. Moving in between these 2 poses at the pace of your breath. Go ahead and take one more cycle. Come to a neutral tabletop pose. Step the right foot in between your hands for a low lunge. Keep your knee directly above your ankle. This could be a good place to have some blocks under your hands, or you could also have hands onto the tops of your knees. Just find whatever works for you. Moving into our half split, so take a big inhale and exhale, straighten the right leg, pointing and flexing through the right foot, just starting to wake up the leg a little bit. The next time you come to flex, keep your left hand down, right arm up towards the sky for a twist, looking up if that feels comfortable on your neck. Circle the right hand back down. Step back into your tabletop. This time, left leg reaches forward for your lunge. Pressing the hips low. Again, find what works for you, for your body. Whether that's hands flat to the mat, on blocks, on your knee. And this could be different day to day, sometimes even depending on what side of your leg you're on. Usually my right side is a little bit more flexible. Take a big inhale and exhale, straighten the left leg. You may need to adjust the blocks a little bit, pointing and flexing through the left foot. The next time you flex, hold it there. Right hand down, left arm reaches up, twist. Left hand circles back again. Come into your tabletop. I'm just going to move these blocks over to the side. Walk the hands out a little bit. Tuck the toes. Lift the hips. Downward facing dog. Start to pedal out through the feet. So straighten one leg, bend the other. And just alternate. Now find some stillness in your down dog, so there could still be a slight bend in the knees. Strong through your arms, letting your head be heavy. Now look up towards your hands, stepping the right foot through, warrior two. So left leg is parallel to the short edge of my mat. Hands are out towards the side. Keeping a deep bend in that right knee. Reverse warrior, left hand down, right arm reaches up and over. Extended side angle, right hand or right forearm comes down to right knee, left arm reaches up and over. Nothing changes in the leg, so keep that right leg still bent. Moving into reverse triangle, this time straight in the right leg. Left hand comes down to left thigh, left knee, wherever you can reach. Moving into triangle pose. You may need to step the left toes in a little bit more, reaching through the right hands and keep reaching until you can't anymore, and then just bend at the waist. This could be a good place to use blocks under the hand. You could also rest the right hand on your shin, or if you want to challenge your obliques a little bit, just kind of hover through the hands. So it's just kind of on the side of your leg. Circle the left hand down towards the mat, framing the foot. Step back, downward facing dog. Now looking up towards the hands. This time left leg steps through, warrior two. So this time right leg is parallel to the short edge of your mat. Reverse warrior. Right hand comes down to right leg. Left hand reaches up and over, still keeping that deep bend in the left leg. Extended side angle. Left forearm comes to rest on the left leg. Right arm reaches up and over. Reverse triangle, this time straight in the left leg. Right hand comes to right leg. Left arm reaches up and over. Coming into triangle pose. So again, you may need to step those right toes in a little bit. Reaching forward with the left hand, keep reaching and coming down. Again, find what works for the hand placement here, either on your shin, a block, or just hovering to challenge those obliques a little bit. And circling the right arm, framing the left foot. Step back for your downward facing dog. This time, walk the feet up towards the top of your mat, towards the hand. Forward fold. Inhale, halfway lift. Flatten the back. And exhale, forward fold. Now start to walk your feet out towards, closer to the edges of your mat. Heels in, toes out. Yogi squat. And if it feels comfortable on your hips, you could use your elbows to kind of push your knees out a little bit more. Next, we will move in between your yogi squat and a forward fold. So you could place a block underneath the hands. Inhale and exhale, straighten the knees. Toes will face the front of your mat. Inhale in and exhale, yogi squat. Turn the feet out again, sinking low into the hips. Another big inhale and exhale, forward fold. Inhaling in and exhale, yogi squat. Sitting all the way back. Let's come to the front of your mat, seated in any way that feels comfortable for you. We will just finish with a very simple twist. So right hand to left knee, left fingertips back, looking over that left shoulder. Come towards the front of your mat, switching sides, left hand to right knee, right fingertips behind you. And coming to face forward, sit in any way that feels comfortable to you. Big breath in and out. One more time, hands come to heart center. Inhale in and exhale, bending forward. Namaste. Thank you so much for joining me for this short afternoon flow for a boost of energy. I hope you do feel more energized and ready to take on the rest of your day. Let me know in the comments what you would like to see more of, and I hope to see you again on the mat very soon. Thank you.